Okay, here we go. This is our first attempt. So, get this PVC shaved down where it'll go in. Now I have a PV inside the conduit, PVC. And I'll take these bushings. I may have to heat them. Let's see if I can get them in there. They're tight. There they go. There you go. This one will just slide right on down in there. Should. That one goes in easier. I'll put the other bushing on top. And there you go. Your PVC conduit bushing, which now goes into the wheel. Fits into the wheel perfect, just like it came from the factory. And then we take it over here. I'll lubricate it. And then it slides right on here just like that. I'll lubricate it, put a big washer here and a big washer on the back side to keep it stable. Put the nut on it. And well, I have to lubricate it to get it back on there, but it'll work like a charm, and I'll video it actually working.